Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show you how to make your Snapchat account private. Let's go. Are you concerned about your privacy on Snapchat? In this helpful video, I'll show you how to make your Snapchat account private so that only people you approve of can see your snaps and stories. Make sure to watch this video until the very end. First of all, let's open up the Snapchat application and tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on the profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll down until you see a section called Privacy Control. Once you find it, tap on the first option, Contact Me. This setting determines who can contact you directly with snaps, calls, chats, etc. Right now, it is set to everyone. To make your account private, change this setting to Friends, so only your friends can contact you. After that, go back and tap on View My Story. Change it to Friends Only. You can also tap on Custom to block certain friends from viewing your story. Next, go back and tap on See Me in Quick Add, and you want to untick this option to remove yourself from Quick Add. Now, your account won't be shown in Quick Add. Finally, go back to the settings screen and tap on See My Location. Here, you have a couple of different options. Right now, it's set to My Friends, which means all of your friends can see your location. You can change it to My Friends, except to block some friends from seeing your location, or only these friends to select specific friends who can see your location. At the top, you'll see Ghost Mode. If you toggle this on, your location will be hidden from everyone. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select Ghost Mode. Choose the duration you want Ghost Mode to be enabled, and now your Snapchat account is completely private. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.